Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily import items in bulk in Zoho Books. So all you have to do is head over to books.zoho.com, and from here, just make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just click on items. Then once again, click on items. Then just click on this three dot icon that is named More Actions. Then click on Import Items. So from here, just upload the file that contains your list of items. So just click on Choose File, then select the file and open it. You have an option here if you want to skip duplicates or overwrite the items. Proceed by clicking on Next. So from here, just make sure that the Zoho Books field is the same with your imported file headers. So in the tax details section, just add in details about the tax only if applicable. Then once done, just head over and click on Next. Then, if you think that all the details are correct and you've checked it all one by one, you can head over and click on Import. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!